Hello, today I want to talk to you about some tips in doing groceries when especially if the day is San Valentine and there's no roses. How are you going to keep doing your business if there's no roses, right? I have a tip for you so you can continue making money. Don't go away. Welcome back. Yesterday was San Valentine and all the roses and a lot of chocolate was sold out by noon. So I always keep looking at my app and say, well, if I keep getting more from this store, I won't be able to make money today. There's no roses. And guess what happened? Every order that I got until 8:30 p.m. last night was red roses, chocolate, or cake. So what happened was in my last order when I went to get some roses, there were none. So I told the customer, sorry, there's no roses. If you want, I can take you a picture of what they have. So I took a picture. Look at this one. So this is what they had at the store available. Then what happened was that they said, well, there's nothing there basically. I said, yeah, there's only little flowers. And they said, okay, well, thank you so much. Sorry for the inconvenience. So I was ready to call my manager in the app and say, hey, can you close this case or cancel it for me because there's no roses. And the manager said, well, let me cancel it for you. You're gonna get $3 tip or $5, whatever it is. And I was getting ready to do that when the customer texts me back and say, hey, do they still have those type of flowers? And I say, yeah, they still have those flowers. Well, can you send me 2 of those? And I said, well, let me give you an idea. I have an idea. Let's get you 3 type of flowers and some cake or chocolate that I can find and send you a picture. So I said, okay, he agreed. And then at the end, he said, oh man, I don't know what to do. I said, well, look, listen to this. It's not the roses. Remember, it's not the roses. It's the detail you have. And he said, that's right. Okay, let's do that. So he did that. And he was super happy and he even tipped me $15. So I said, okay, so I can repeat this if another customer come in. So watch the other pictures of every flower that I sold and tell everybody about, it's not about the roses, it's about the details. Check it out. Here you can see a combination of 3 flowers and a cupcake, and he agreed for that. The next one, I agreed for these 3 flowers and then some cake with hearts. And the last one, I agreed to have this beautiful flower with some chocolate, and it was great. Then I realized that I learned that from my wife because she used to say, when you were younger, you used to give me so many surprises, and now you don't. I said, well, I don't know what to buy for you anymore. She says, it's not the roses or the gift, it's the details. She said that to me. So now I always give her some little things, to, little notes, say I love you someplace, and she find it and she like it. So those little details is what count. So that's what I told every customer. Look, it's not the roses, it's the detail. So, I did my part of taking pictures, showing them what they have, give them idea how to combine the flower, and then say, look, these are the chocolates or the candies or the cakes available right now, because they were empty. Everything was gone. So I was just grabbing what was left over and trying to make something nice for them. So now don't give up, because all the driver, they saw roses and chocolate and they canceled the order. You have to look outside the box. There's always a way to do things. So in 8 deliveries, check out how much I made. Here you can see 218 with 33 cents in 8 deliveries. The last 4 deliveries were customer asking for roses and chocolate. But I thought, thinking out of the box, see, you can make a difference. So I hope this helped you. Enjoy and keep making money. I want to give a shout out to my wife. I love you, honey. Bye-bye.
Why am I looking at you? You're a picture in a frame. I make believe you're next to me, but I know it's not the same. Why am I looking at you?